Okay, so what is up, Jusigan? It is your boy, Jusburger Motovlog, back again for yet another epic video. So sa video na to, meron tayong uuliting proseso, and this time I'll make sure na mas maikli ito para mas siya, mas engaging, no? So ang gagawin natin ay i-change oil na natin ulit tong NK400 natin. So if you guys been following the channel, the last time na change oil ko to ay itong NK December 2025, no? And it's been 6 months or at least more than 6 months since that last change oil happened. I haven't reached 3,000 kilometer odo, but either of the two, kung sino mang mauna, no? So since na 6 months, kahit hindi ko pa nare-reach ang 3K odo, i-change oil ko na to. So this is the current status of the oil, of the engine oil inside of this motorcycle. So yeah, I think it's just good enough. It's just a good good practice to change it oil, or to change the oil up every so often. So as usual, ito ang gagamitin natin. If you guys can check the last time or the first time that I did a vlog sa pag-change oil nito, ito ang ginamit ko, no? And ever since naman ito ang ginagamit ko, C110 na pang Vios actually to. Ayan. If you guys wanna buy or purchase yourself one of these products, I'll put the link in the description box. Siyempre, ito din gagamitin natin as usual. Liquimoly 15W50. Dalawa yan, dalawa. So, 2 liters. Meron tayong pang 200 ml. Ayan, may pang 200 ml tayo na Liquimoly din na 15W50. So, yeah. Let's set it up. And I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay. So, what we are going to use para dun sa drain plug ay 18mm. 18mm na socket. And then obviously a ratchet wrench. Gulo naman itong pusa. Doon ka. Magulo. So anuhin na natin, tanggalin na natin, itirin na natin tong tong langis. And obviously ano siya dapat counterclockwise. Okay. Alisin na natin. So since na-loosen ko na siya, no, pwede ko na siyang i-hand loose. Does it make sense? Obviously. So yeah, dandan lang para yung tingga, yung washer hindi mahulog. So let's do it patiently, very patiently, and very cautious. And also, sorry kung medyo maingay ang background noise. Okay. Tumulo na, tuluan na din ang kamay ko. But it's fine. So guys can see, ayan ang status ng langis, no? So ano na siya, kulay coke na siya. Kulay coke na siya. So it's just about time para i-change oil siya. Patuloyin na muna natin yan, then I'll get back to you guys. Pupunasan ko lang din to, yung tingga, pati yung pinaka drain plug. And we'll get back to this bike, alright, going back. So as you guys can see, the oil is barely dripping na lang, no? So pwede na natin siyang takpan. Ipa-plug lang natin siya ng onte, i-screw up natin siya ng onte, then pupunasan natin yung pisngi din ng pinaka ilalim, no? So plug ng onte, screw up ng onte, pupunasan natin yung pisngi ng pinaka ilalim nun para malinis yung magiging yung pag-contact ulit ng tingga pati ng pinaka ilalim ng engine draining nguso. So let's go. Just like that. Then we can now higpitan siya ng sagad. Okay, before natin siya gamitan ulit ng tool sa paghigpit, syempre pupunasan din natin ulit yung paligid para malinis. Kasi obviously kanina na tulutuluan yan, ganyan. So now obviously 18mm pa rin. 18mm pa rin na socket ang gagamitin natin. And 18, and then obviously clockwise naman this time. Yung tamang higpit lang, hindi yung parang wala nang tomorrow. Mas masakit pag ito naputol or bumilog. Pwede na yan, just like that, pwede na yon. Okay, so Ang next naman natin ay obviously yung oil filter. So, let me just set things up and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, going back. So, may flash na kasi, it's getting dark outside. So, gagamitin ko ulit to. Yung first time kong vlog, yung pag-change oil ko, dun ko lang din first time ginamit to. This time, gagamitin natin to kasi very useful to when it comes to losing the tightness of this oil filter. All of the stuff that I have used today. Itong Vic C110 and then yung Liqui Moly. Yung mga link nila ilalagay ko sa description box, no? Para whenever you guys are interested to get yourself one of these products, then you can, diba? Let's loosen up this thing first. Oh, like that. Oh, diba? There we go. Kita nyo? Ikot na siya. Alright, like that. Okay na. Tapos na natin gamitin to kasi na-loosen up na natin siya. No? Okay, so siyempre, kailangan natin ulit ng abang kasi may tutulo dyan. Ayun, sira oh. Masira yung yung pisngi niya. And as expected, may tumulo. Okay guys, so habang nagpapatulo tayo, ang gagawin natin ay i-prepare na natin itong bago nating Vic C110. So ayan, ito yung luma. Then, ito yung bago. So ang gagawin ko ay ilulubricate ko yung rubber washer nitong Vic C110. So, lubricate natin. And like that. Ayan. Ayan. Ipi-prefill din natin siya para hindi dry start. Good practice din to para maiwasan yung dry start. So just like that. Alright, so napunasan ko na yan guys, yung pinaka lagayan ng oil filter sa engine. So ngayon ilalagay na natin tong bagong Vic C110. And sa paglagay ay always hand tight lang. Okay, so maybe we use a tool sa sa kanya, sa pagtanggal, but sa paglagay ay hand tight lang. Okay? Oh, there we go. So ayan, kumapit din finally. So since dumutilis yung kamay ko, gamit tayo basahan. And once again, hand tight lang. Okay? Sa pag loosen up, you can use a tool tulad ng tool na ginamit ko kanina. Pero sa pag tighten up, hand tight lang. Alright? Okay, what is up cheesy gang? Yeah, going back. If you guys will notice, no? Umaga na, maaraw. Kasi panibagong araw to, hindi ko tinapos yung pag-change oil kahapon. Kasi masyado na din madilim at umulan, no? So ngayon, ang last naman ng gagawin ay ilalagay yung langis, no? So nahigpitan ko na yung itong natin, itong oil filter, nahigpitan ko na yan, hand tight lang as usual. And dito sa ilalim, yung pinaka drain plug mahigpit na din yan. So the only thing left for us to work with ay ilagay ang pinaka filter, pinaka engine oil. And once again, ito ang gagamitin natin, Liqui Moly na 15W50. So tatlo yan. One, so we have here one, we have here two. Ayan, parehas parehas brand new obviously. Ayan, tapos ito yung parang pinagkukuhaan ko ng another 200 ml na kailangan. If you guys can see, na siya, bawas na. So yeah, let's get right into it. Naanuhan ko na to, naluwagan ko na to gamit pliers. Kaya pwede na natin tanggalin, just like that. Nasa natin yung pinaka-cup. Once again, ang ginagamit ko naman palagi ay tissue or paper towel, whatever you wanna call it. Tapos punasan na din natin tong punasan na din natin tong pinakanguso. As you guys can see, wala nang laman. Naka-side stand na lang siya ngayon, hindi na siya nakapadak. Tinamad na ako. Pero ayan, obviously walang laman tong bike. Walang engine, magdamag. Ay, walang engine. Walang engine oil, magdamag. O, di ba? Simutin natin. Sayang yan, tol. Balikan natin to. Simutin natin yan. Okay, ito. Ayun o. Nakikita nyo, puno din to. Let's go. Okay, malapit na din itong mga ubos. Ayun o, nakikita nyo guys yung ano, oil level indicator. Diba? Maangat na. Okay, ready natin simutin to. Doon naman tayo sa last 200 ml. Okay, gets. Okay, that's enough. Ayun, kung nakikita nyo guys, maangat na siya. I mean, mas nagiging obvious na yun sa gas level, engine oil level indicator. But obviously, mas magiging obvious yan pagka hindi siya naka-slant kasi nga naka-side stand nga lang siya. Okay, babalik na natin ang cap, ang lid, ang plug. Paano nyo lang gustong tawagin yan? At ito na natin using a long nose pliers. Okay, just like that. Okay na yun. So yeah, baba ko siya onte para pagka nakagitna na yung bike, mas makikita nyo ng maayos, no? Kasi obviously mababago yung angle. So, kamusta siya guys? How does it look? So ayan, nakagitna yung bike. Alright, ayun no? Umangat siya. So yeah, kulang ko lang yung susi. Then I'll get back to you guys. I-start natin yung bike. Painitin natin siya. I-check natin yung odo. Then we will wrap it up. Okay? Alright mga easy, going back. So, ayan. Okay na yung engine oil natin, no? For my own reference, nag-change oil tayo ng 10,922 tayo nag-change oil. So the next change oil will be at 13.5 na lang, mga 13.5 or 13.4 tayo mag-change oil, no? Ng NK or 6 months kung saan man sa kanilang dalawang mauna. Pang naantay natin, painitin na natin, cold start, no? So, painitin na natin yung bike. Alright, so I guess that's about it for this vlog. Don't worry, I'll make sure na papaikliin ko to para interactive siya, no, at para hindi boring. And hopefully nakatulong ako. If you guys are curious how will you guys change all your MK400 or 400 NK yourself, DIY ba? And once again, yung mga pinagagamit ko na consumables and also tools para sa pag-change oil na to, ilalagay ko yung link nila, yung online shop link nila, no, sa description box. So check those out if you guys wanna grab yourself one of those. So yeah, that's it for now. Please like, comment, share, what else, you know, all of those good stuff tulad na lagi ko sinasabi. Also check out our Facebook page, Cheeseburger Motovlog, username Cheeseburger Motovlog 320. And that's it for now, but don't worry, I'll get back to you guys for yet another epic video. For now, cheese out.